From Ramayana to Mahabharata, India's culture has always given paramount importance to the relationship between gurus and shishyas. Bhagavad Gita says, the one who imparts knowledge is the greatest of all. Islam says, the best among you are those who learn and teach. Guru Granth Sahib says, a teacher is like a candle lighting the way for others. Now please join me in welcoming Mr. Majid. Sir will share their thoughts on this special day. Give a huge round of applause for him.
Esteemed colleagues and dear students, Assalamu alaikum to everyone. So it gives me an immense pleasure today to stand before you on this auspicious occasion of Teachers' Day. As you know that this day holds a unique place in our hearts, as it is the celebration of one of the most noble and impactful professions, and I would say the prophetic professions in the world, that is the teacher. So now I would like to start with the Kashmiri lines that goes like Janam dut moil maje me nazar disnam me wastadan. Janam dut moil maje me nazar disnam me wastadan. Never could-nas jahalat manz khabar disnam me wastadan. Mema ëski khabar kokun karun chumbut safar me tai. Mema ëski khabar kokun karun chumbut safar me tai. Athas ket wuch alam kıza zabar disnam me wastadan. So, as you know that we as teachers not only share the bookish knowledge with you, but what we do is we play a role as mentors, we play role as role models, guides, and sometimes as friends as well. So, what we do is we help students to navigate through the challenges and we help them to discover their potential. Now, I also would like to extend my heartful appreciation to my fellow teachers, my colleagues, because each one of you brings a unique energy, wisdom and dedication to the classroom. And to the students, you are the only reason we come here every day. We come here to teach you only. So it is because of you, it's because of your passion, your creativity, your enthusiasm, your zeal and zest that we are the teachers. And your passion lets us do what we keep doing every day. And now again I would like to conclude with Kashmiri lines, and it goes like Kalam du tham me ongjan manz mevun tham mai ne har fan se. Kalam du tham me ongjan manz mevun tham mai ne har fan se. Wasit bun maj hij kwach manz meru duksai wasta do. Burut thastap krayan manz wachas tel bun shehlen zan. Chuchoni sat halas manz shuhul shehjar wasta do. So these were few concluding lines, and at last I would like to tell you that today on 5th of September we celebrate this Teachers' Day, but I would like to tell you that it's not necessary that you will celebrate this on this particular occasion, because for a teacher the respect is all the time. For a teacher, what is actually the respect? That is when his students they appreciate him, they appreciate his work, they respect him in true way in every day. अगर मैं अपनी बात करूंगा, when we used to be students, जब हमारे टाइम पे हम स्टूडेंट हुआ करते थे, even I consider myself today as a student, because it is said कि आप जो है जब आपका जन्म होता है till your grave we always learn things. तो one should always consider himself or herself a student till death. तो क्या होता था जब हम स्टूडेंट हुआ करते थे अपने टाइम पे, तो whenever I used to see my teachers outside, I used to hide, because एक सेंस ऑफ रेस्पेक्ट था मेरा उनके लिए, क्योंकि मुझे ये लगता था कि कल को जब मैं उनको फेस करूंगा इन द क्लासरूम, दे वुड टेल कि आप बाहर कल घूम रहे थे, आप पढ़ाई नहीं कर रहे थे. बट टुडे नाउअडेज द सिचुएशन इज टोटली डिफरेंट. अगर आप आज का देखेंगे तो सोशल मीडिया के दौर में आप देखेंगे जो वेस्टर्नाइजेशन, जो कल्चर हमारे अंदर आ गया है, खासकर आजकल के स्टूडेंट्स के लिए, सो देयर इज अ लिटिल बिट गैप. द गैप इज नैरोइंग, दैट इज थिनिंग डे बाय डे. So we should not bridge that